The drones that you're thinking about, especially the zipline and everything, they're mostly multicopters. So they have a very short range, a different type of technology. My drones, because they're doing logistics, they're extremely energy efficient. And it's not only because it's sustainable or whatever, it's because it's competitive.
Ah,
The more energy efficient you are, the less expensive you are on a unit cost basis. So I need to have a glide ratio. I need to have a wing, for instance. I need to have a
yes.
number of things like that. So when you
What do
think,
they call? Because I know there's quadcopters, I know there's fixed wing. What do you call these ones that are the hybrid? Is there a technical industry term?
so if it's an hybrid, it's called an hybrid in that case, like when they have,
Okay, so technically it's a hybrid. Got it.
yeah,
Is the
uh,
technical name, Lon, for a hybrid?
Yeah,
ours,
Is hybrid.
hybrid. Yeah.
ours are like what we call the tilt rotor. So it takes off vertically and it transition to horizontal flight so that we can have the convenience of the vertical takeoff. But we
Then
have,
the tilt rotor
yeah,
gets you the glide path. And that's what Joby is doing too for humans. Yeah.
yeah, it's similar to Joby in some way. So we have less propellers and it's of course not the same product, but
So you're bigger than a zip line, smaller than a Joby is the way to think about it.
exactly. Light cargo is like when you're in the middle. Joby is like the new helicopter. Zipline is the new DoorDash. We're like the new delivery van in the sky.
I love it. And what weight do you want to get to? Is there a goal that like, you want to get to 150 pounds, 250 pounds, be able to deliver, you know, something of a little more heft?
Yeah,
Or is,
well, to
yeah.
quote the famous philosopher, never say never. But we're not targeting that segment right away because the majority, like what I like about my segment, is that 99% of the streams are actually in that segment.
Mm,
So I don't want to over optimize for the one time you need a plasma TV because
mm.
you can probably wait for a delivery van or any other
Yeah,
delivery.
plasma TV, that's a weird footprint, but yeah, if Lon's getting kettlebells, Lon's getting in shape here. So
Is
have
that a
at
thing?
it, twist Noti gang, if you want to do some buff AI slop of Lon. But
Oh,
if
don't
you
tell
wanted
me
to
that.
deliver a set of kettlebells, it could be 300 pounds worth of kettlebells and you just drop it off on Lon's house.
But
Well,
lower it
free.
slowly. Don't just drop it, because
Please.
that's
Uh,
dangerous.
And as you know, I'm obsessed with a lot of technologies, including my Applaud pin. It's time for us to applaud. Golf clap. Applaud. As you can see here, I have it on my t-shirt. How did I get it on my t-shirt? I didn't use the clip you usually see me use when I'm wearing a suit. Well, I'm in Tahoe, so I'm not suited up. It has a magnetic one, so you can put it right behind you. Then, Alex, I got you on the Applaud train. I'm recording my Applaud right now. So if I have any ideas, like, I should go to the emergency room and get my pinky, which I dislocated playing basketball yesterday, and make sure I send a note, I can do that. And you just flashed your Applaud, Alex, and you're using the attachment that lets you wear it like a wristband. Which is kind of cool too. It's totally privacy first because you have a button, you press it, the red light goes on.
Mhm.
Everybody knows what you're doing. For meetings, it's amazing. People say, well, why wouldn't you just use your phone? Getting your phone out, opening an app, starting it, closing it. Okay, all that's great. It's going to take you 30 seconds, a minute. Whereas here, you just press the button, 1 second or less, and you're recording. And it's got multiple microphones on it. And the battery lasts forever. And if your phone's in your bag or your jacket and you're skiing, but you want to leave it on like a lunatic all day, Alex, I just leave it on when I'm skiing. And I just talk to myself when I'm skiing alone. If I ever go down in a tree well or whatever,
I was about
it'll
to
be
say,
my last will and testament.
didn't we just talk about you not skiing alone anymore like 10 days ago? It wasn't that far back, man.
But anyway, we have a promo code. People can get a good deal, I think, on Applaud. Yeah.
Yes, we do. If you go to plaud.ai, plant.ai/twist, use the code twist, save 10%. Jason, I'm using mine to take ideas for blog posts when I'm out and about. Love it. And because I have the wristband, my children can't yank it off my body. So not really a clip-on guy yet, but give me like 5 years to have older children and then I'll be able to, safely wear it like that. But yeah, I'm loving it. Lon's loving it. You're loving it. Kind of a hit here at Twist HQ.